Today, we're diving into the world of polyethylene, one of the most popular plastics used in injection molding. Polyethylene, also known as PE, is found in everything from packaging and pipes to medical devices and industrial parts. Let's explore the different types of polyethylene, their properties, applications, and some tips to help you select the best type for your project. So, what is polyethylene? It's a thermoplastic polymer with a unique crystalline structure. This structure determines important properties like stiffness, flexibility, hardness, and density. You can choose from various types of polyethylene, depending on the specific needs of your project. Let's break down the 5 main types of polyethylene commonly used in injection molding. First one is low-density polyethylene, LDPE. LDPE is flexible and resists water, which makes it ideal for hose fittings and packaging. It's not as stiff as other types, which means it's less prone to breaking under stress but has limited resistance to UV light and some chemicals. Second is linear low-density polyethylene, has similar flexibility but is tougher than LDPE, with better puncture resistance and chemical resistance. Applications include caps, lids, and snap fits. Third is medium-density polyethylene, MDPE. MDPE combines impact resistance with good chemical resistance and is often used for pipes. It has a balance between flexibility and rigidity, making it versatile but less UV resistant. Fourth is high-density polyethylene, HDPE. HDPE is known for its rigidity and tensile strength. It's used in products needing strong, lightweight plastic like electrical insulation. However, HDPE may shrink and warp when cooled quickly, affecting part tolerances. Fifth is ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, UHMWPE. UHMWPE has superb abrasion resistance and low friction. It's great for medical uses like joint replacements. However, it has a high viscosity, so molders need to apply higher pressure to ensure a consistent result. When choosing the right polyethylene, think about stiffness, strength, and flexibility. For instance, LDPE and linear low-density polyethylene are softer and more flexible, while HDPE and UHMWPE are stiffer and tougher. Keep in mind that stiffer plastics can be more brittle and might crack under stress, so it's about finding the right balance. To achieve the best results, it's essential to control key processing parameters like melt temperature, mold temperature, injection speed, and injection pressure. For example, melt temperature controls viscosity and flow resistance, crucial for getting the plastic to fill the mold evenly. Mold temperature affects the crystallinity of the plastic, impacting rigidity and strength. Polyethylene is an incredibly versatile plastic that can be tailored to fit all sorts of projects. From LDPE's flexibility to UHMWPE's abrasion resistance, there's a PE plastic that's just right for your application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.